Hey guys, so today I decided to film my recent Saturday cleaning routine. So I started off the day by waking up a little bit earlier than everyone else and put some clothes in the washing machine, and then I went actually back to sleep because it was like an hour and a half or 2 hours before everyone else woke up. I then went ahead and cleaned the downstairs toilets. The upstairs toilets I usually clean it during the night. So obviously there's dishes to clean, but normally I usually clean the dishes at night time, but I felt too tired last night, so I thought I'll tackle it in the morning. But before I tackle the dishes, I'm actually gonna declutter and reorganize my cupboard. And then I take my favourite kitchen cleaner with bleach, which is just a Sainsbury's brand one, with a saucer, so that I just basically scrub all the hard stains, because especially there's a honey stain in there that I know is really hard to scrub. Oh, and this is not actually dirt marks, it's just basically like the colour from the wood has just come off a little bit. Now, I'm going to let the cupboard dry for a little bit after wiping it down, and I'm going to tackle the dishes. And I like to watch TV while I'm washing the dishes. And also today I decided to clean my kitchen tidy and my food recycling bin as well. So the rest of the family woke up and I had to stop cleaning because it was breakfast time, so I just stopped what I was doing and went and had breakfast with them. After breakfast I came back and started organising the kitchen cupboard. I took my Walco basket and just basically reorganised it because I used to store baking stuff in there, but now I'm using it to store like tin food, basically just tin canned food in there basically. Also, my Maggi seasoning storage pot was like quite dirty, so I gave that a wash. Now with these peanuts, I'm actually going to use to store them in like an empty hot dog storage jar, which obviously if you buy hot dog, you know this glass storage jars, yeah, 3 storage jars basically. And I do the same with the caster sugar as well, but with the caster sugar I'm actually going to use a jam jar as well to store it in. Also, I did go and label the glass jars with like the expiry date, so that you know you don't want to consume stuff that expired. Oh, and also you guys remember, if you watched in my Poundland haul, I got this jar from Poundland, and I actually said I was going to use it to store sweets, but now I'm going to use it to store rice, because I went to Poundland and I saw this like jar, and it's always in Poundland, so that next shop I'm going to get that jar. So after finishing reorganising and cleaning the cupboard, now I'm going to go back to washing the dishes because obviously we just had breakfast. So there, I am all finished, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye guys.